Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check App Store credit balance on iPhone, and here's how it is done. To begin, open the App Store and tap on your profile icon in the top corner. Then select your name at the top of the screen. This will display your account settings, including options for managing payments, subscriptions, and purchase history. Next, tap on Add Money to your account. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your current store credit balance. In my case, it is $0, but you can easily add funds if needed. To add money, simply select an amount like $25 and confirm the payment with a double click. There is also an auto reload feature, which is useful for setting spending limits for children. You can choose an amount and schedule automatic top ups weekly or monthly. That is everything you need to know about how to check App Store credit balance on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.